Why Felix is so late?
Oh no, I'm late. I should cook this popcorn quickie. I need to run quickly or else I'll be dead. Sorry I'm late. I made you your favorite caramel popcorn. It's extra sweet, made with love with no salt at all.
Don't be afraid. I'm not mad at you. Thank you so much for this popcorn. Hey, you want to kill me?
No. What is happening?
This is pure salt. You know that I'm allergic to salt. Wait, I can't breathe.
Can somebody help us? Please. Please. What have I done?
Felix, it's a prank. Ha ha ha.
You almost gave me a heart attack.
April Fools is fun with Plotagon. And thank you for this caramel popcorn. This is so delicious.
You're most welcome, and yes, I agree. April Fools is fun with Plotagon.